logbook is a popular report and can be found within any patient's profile. After selecting the time period that we would like to review, you can scroll down and find that the chart represents each day within this time period as a separate row and each hour of the day as a separate column. At the end of every row, we have the daily totals for carbs, insulin, both bolus and basal, as well as the average blood glucose value for that day. As we continue to scroll, you'll see that there is multiple colours, symbols, and fonts. To find out more information about these, we recommend using the legend below. First, we're going to review Wednesday the 23rd, shown on screen here at the bottom of the chart. You'll see that we start the day with an in-target blood glucose reading of 7.8. The in-target reading is represented in green. As we go through the day, we have below target range readings, shown in red, and above target range readings, shown in orange. Starting in the morning, you can see that we have a temporary basal rate reading, shown by the dotted purple line. That temporary basal rate is 1.4 units per hour and continues until a scheduled basal rate, solid purple line, of 0.5 units per hour, which then changes throughout the day. And we have a pump alarm towards the end of the day, which a healthcare professional and patient may want to review in the other reports within the patient's profile. As we progress through the day, you'll find that we have carbohydrates, such as in the morning, 54 grams of carbohydrates were recorded and are shown here in the grey square. You'll find that some readings that have been recorded are accompanied by symbols, such as the 7.8 blood glucose reading shown here, where we have a circle. This circle represents an after meal reading, whereas later in the day we have a solid circle showing a before meal reading. As we go through the day, you'll also find that we have alternative fonts. Now, this alternative font shows manually entered readings, which a healthcare professional may also want to review alongside the patient. For all of the information shown within the logbook, you can scroll down to find this as a text-based representation for each of the days within the time period selected. This can again be useful for finding out more information, such as the types of insulin that have been administered and any other activities that have been recorded. If you would like to see this information in a more graphical representation, you can do this by looking at other graphs and charts within the patient's profile.